Welcome to the Bricks Network. I'm Ken. Today on the table we have Star Wars Rebuild the Galaxy Jedi Bob Starfighter. And this is Lego set 75388 for 8+. You actually get Jedi Bob's Starfighter and you get 3 minifigures. Jedi Bob, Ackbar Trooper, and Servo, which is SRVO. So just a quick spin of the box. Nothing special, but let's get a little bit of backstory about this particular Jedi Bob Starfighter. So set 7163, the Republic gunship, was actually introduced back in 2002, and it included a generic Jedi Knight. Initially, it was unremarkable, of course, but over the years, this character has become extremely popular. It's now known as Jedi Bob, and we have an official set with Jedi Bob. And the Rebuild the Galaxy, it's actually on Disney Plus, and you can check it out there. I started watching the first episode, but I haven't finished it yet. It seems to be pretty good, so definitely give it a watch. This particular set has 305 pieces. It's roughly $39.99, €39.99 euros, or 34.99 cents in British pounds. It roughly comes out to about 13.1 cents per piece in the US for that $39.99 value. In the UK, it comes out to about 11.5 cents per piece. All right, let's open up the box. All right, chuck the box to the side. Okay, only 7 stickers. That's a pleasant surprise. So 4 bags. And then this brick piece here. The manual. See if they have anything in here that's of interest or cool. Oh, they have a couple of the other sets from Rebuild the Galaxy, which is quite nice. Nope. All right, well, let's get to it. review part. So overall, there's not too much to say about the build. It was pretty straightforward. There weren't any complex building techniques. Everything went together quite nicely and quite easily, to be honest. It does have some cool details. First and foremost, there's a little landing stilt, I guess, and it actually moves up and down, which is quite a cool detail. Other than that, these little rockets fire. I'm not gonna do it because I'm afraid I'm gonna lose it, but you know, it has pretty strong springs in there. A little bit of a front view, and then the side, and lastly, 3 boosters in the back. So of course it looks familiar. It actually reminds me of Obi-Wan's Starfighter. But yeah, it has some interesting little additional details, which is really nice. One of the cool things is there's a little hatch here on the inside. Stores a little banana and a little blue milk, I guess. So, interesting little detail. Luckily, there weren't too many stickers, maybe 6 or 7, which was a nice change because I've been building the Lego Speed Champions for the last week, and it's a ton of stickers. So this is quite nice. The 3 minifigures you have: Jedi Bob, nice printed piece. The Ackbar Trooper, and then Servo. Official name SRVO. His little feet. A couple things I will mention is that this Starfighter is actually quite sturdy. I had my 7 and 3-year-old playing with it, and it didn't fall to pieces like some of my other sets that I've ended up building and have to repair immediately after they touch them. This one withstood the attacks of the children, so hey, I appreciate the sturdiness. These pieces here actually do a good job of holding all the wings and the shape of the Starfighter together quite nicely. It actually has a little bit of heft to it, considering it's only 305 pieces. Which brings me to the last and final tidbit, is that for the price of 40 bucks, it's a bit pricey. It's only 305 pieces. I mean, I know Star Wars you pay a little bit more for, but not that much more. I mean, this is, you know, they're still in the money a little bit, but I get it. Folks are buying this because of nostalgia from that Republic gunship that was introduced back in 2002. And so everyone wants to kind of get this unknown Jedi in this minifig. But still, the prices that Lego charged for it was a bit much. Okay, so that does it for the review. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you like this content, hit the thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.